While you might assume everything corporations are making is for your benefit and well-being, well, think again. With growing concerns over a particular chemical found in many of these products, your consumer products may not be as safe as you once thought. I dive into why it is important to understand what this chemical is and why you should be concerned. Making our lives easier and increasing the quality of products has been a lifelong goal for corporations worldwide. However, one chemical that has been used for decades might be affecting your health. PFAS, also known as forever chemicals, because of their lack of being able to be broken down, have scientists researching around the clock, such as Jingyang Liu, a chemical and environmental engineer professor at UCR.
So that's exactly what I'm doing, and also many other researchers in the US or throughout the world is working very hard to make the degradation faster and faster.
These chemicals started to gain popularity in the 1940s, with cooking being their main priority. Those non-stick pans you have at home are covered in PFAS.
It will have some special properties such as water repellent and also oil repellent. So that is actually a very ideal material that can expel both water and oil. So this is why it has been widely used in a lot of commercial products in our daily life.
Not only is it found in your cookware, but in your rain jackets, makeup, shampoo, pizza boxes, and even the wrapper around your burger at McDonald's.
If we know certain like the packaging materials contain the PFAS, maybe we can avoid using that to wrap the burgers or other food. And we also know the most commonly received substance for all people is drinking water.
USGS projects that 45% of the water in the United States contains at least one of the two PFAS commonly found. On average, over 200 million US citizens consume these chemicals in their water supply. With this concern, the EPA and the Biden administration passed the first national drinking water standards to combat the pollution of PFAS, with this only being the first step.
So this is why the regulation first started with the drinking water PFAS concentration, because that's available to everyone and everyone needs water. So then the EPA and the government agencies can make the clear rules. And then we can also develop the corresponding technologies.
But why are scientists and medical professionals concerned? Well, over time, studies of PFAS are shown to have significant health risks with overexposure. Some health problems include kidney cancer, higher cholesterol, and changes in liver function, along with disrupting your hormones in your body. This is commonly seen in firefighters who are exposed to massive amounts of firefighting chemicals, which contain PFAS.
So if you live close to the airport, that's where the firefighting foams are frequently applied. So maybe around the airports, the PFAS concentration in the groundwater will be higher. Then how do we treat it? Then this will be some economic status problem, right? So if you have more funding or more money, you can invest a little more to have your local water utilities to install the ion exchange or carbon absorption to reduce the PFAS in your drinking water supply.
With all the negatives coming from this chemical, the future of a PFAS-free world is hard, but not impossible.
A lot of companies has announced the plan to phase out the use of PFAS in the products. So this is a very good sign. But also we know that PFAS is very important in many specialized fields. If you say we want to completely ban the production and application of PFAS, it's very, very difficult.
Even though 99% of the world's population contains traces of PFAS, Leo stresses that this can be managed on a personal level.
So that's something I want the public to know. So we don't need to be always scared, but also everyone needs to make your voice. If you have the concern, then we need to push things forward to solve the